Hello everyone, welcome back at TechET. It's probably not an accident that Google is sharing details of the Pixel 7 line on the day of the iPhone 14 launch. After all, if any company can steal some of the Apple's thunder, it's Google or Samsung. But we are not expecting anything else big from the Galaxy Fold maker this year. Google revealed that the Pixel 7 and Pixel 7 Pro would be fully unveiled on October 6, and now Google has revealed the colors. In the case of the Google Pixel 7, it's a choice of obsidian, snow or lemongrass, and for the Pixel 7 Pro, it's obsidian, snow or hazel. Each model only has one unique shade. Obsidian and snow are basically black and white, while lemongrass is a greenish yellow and hazel is a grayish green. Alongside the colors, Google has also revealed the chipset these phones will use. We already knew that it would be the next generation of the Tensor chipset, but we now know the name. It's the Google Tensor G2. Google promises the chipset will bring even more helpful personalized features to photos, videos, security, and speech recognition. However, going by the previous version, it's likely to match the raw power of the Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1, which is the current top Android chipset, let alone the A16 Bionic that we are expecting to see in the iPhone 14 Pro and iPhone 14 Pro Max. While the Pixel 7 color selection isn't especially wide, it does include some shades that weren't offered on the Pixel 6 or Pixel 6 Pro. However, the Pixel 6 line arguably has more interesting colors because, if nothing else, many of them are two-tone shades with a different color above the camera block than below. The new phones arguably look smarter as a result, especially with their metallic camera block, but they also look slightly less eye-catching and distinctive. Still, they are sure to be ranked among the best Pixel phones as well. And that's all we have for now. Thank you for watching this video, and I will see you on the next one.